What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be taking a look at some of the best places to learn data visualization in 2025. Data visualization is a fantastic thing to know how to use if you're working in any type of data role. So in this video, I'm going to show you some of the best platforms and tools to learn data visualization. So without further ado, let's jump on my screen and take a look.
All right, so let's get started. And I may have talked about this in the intro about how when you're learning data visualization, I highly recommend starting with Tableau and Power BI because if you know those two, you can learn 95% of all the other ones out there. In fact, I think Tableau and Power BI, if you learn those, all the other ones are probably easier than these two. So what I'm going to recommend is getting Tableau public. This is literally this right down here, where you can come in, you can actually build visualizations for free. Now we have to connect to data and we can start building visualizations, but we can build full visualizations in Tableau Public for free, and then you can share them and you can actually put them on your resume and people can go and look at them. And it's an amazing, amazing platform. This is actually where I recommend most people starting is with Tableau Public. You can also download Power BI Desktop for free. Again, these are the best places to start. They're completely free. You just download them on your computer and you can get started. The only difference with Power BI is that it's for Microsoft laptops only. I think you can also do it on Linux, but you cannot do it on Macs. So we can come in here though, and we can start creating visualizations. We just need to get some data and you can start building dashboards and all sorts of stuff completely for free. You don't need to pay for anything. That's where you actually download the software. But if you are wanting to learn how to create data visualizations, this one is one of my personal favorites. This is data visualization with Tableau Specialization on Coursera. I used Coursera for many years, and genuinely, this is one of the best Tableau courses I have ever taken. It's crazy in depth, but it is very long. That's the only downside. It's a really long course, but it's super, super good. Let's go to the courses. You have fundamentals of visualization with Tableau, design principles for Tableau, visual analytics with Tableau, creating dashboards and storytelling with Tableau, and data visualization with Tableau projects. So as you can see, it's 10, 12, 9, 14, and 14 hours. This is a very, very long course. You can enroll with it for free. If you can get some type of financial aid, then you can take the whole thing for free. But if not, Coursera Plus as well as Coursera can be a little bit pricey, if I'm being honest. It's like $60 or $65 a month, so it's a little bit on the pricier side of the ones that we're going to look at today, but it is genuinely a fantastic course. If you want a lower cost option to learn Tableau, and this guy also does Power BI, this is a Tableau A to Z hands-on Tableau training for data science. I bought this in 2021. So this was about 4 years ago. I took this whole course, thought it was fantastic. I do recommend it. It is a very good course. It's going to teach you almost everything you need to know about Tableau. Over 400,000 people have taken it with a 4.6 rating. So it's a pretty good course just on that alone. Now, if you don't want to pay to learn Tableau, which I completely understand, I have a full Learn Tableau in under 2 hours where I teach you just about everything you need to get started. And we talk about relationships and creating visualizations and maps and bar charts. And then we even build a full project at the end. And if you want to learn Power BI, well, guess what? I have a full Power BI in under 3 hours lesson right here. I'll have links to all of this stuff. You don't have to pay for any of it. You can learn all of this. And this, by the way, this project is a really solid project to even add to your resume. I've seen so many people add this to their resume, post it on LinkedIn, and people always really like it because this is real data that we collected over on LinkedIn. And if you want to go even more in depth, I have a full Tableau for data visualization course. It's over 10 hours. I'm coming out with a Power BI course very soon, I think next week. I think by the time I release this video, we will already have a full Power BI course. So you can go and check those courses out as well if you want to go even more in depth with the way that I teach data visualization. Just a shameless plug at the end, but all these other resources are fantastic and I highly recommend. Again, I will have all these resources in the description below if you want to check them out. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, be sure to like and subscribe below. I'll see you in the next video.